Welcome back to 100 Words for 100 Days. In this quick English learning video, you are going to learn a word is bite the dust. Let's get started. As usual, I am going to show you an example sentence. Therefrom, you can find or guess the meaning of the word. Judging by all that noise coming from her car, I'm pretty sure it's about to bite the dust. What do you think this means? If you say that something has bitten the dust, you are emphasizing that it's no longer exists or that it has failed. This expression used to express in three places. First, to break down, or to fail, and to die. Wherever can we use this word? Let me explain you orderly with the examples. First, slang of person, to die. For example, we were so lucky to avoid that massive accident. We might have bitten the dust. Secondly, slang of machine, to be near a complete breakdown or loss of functionality. I have to go buy a new blender because mine bit the dust today. Thirdly, slang to become unpopular or irrelevant. For example, sadly, it doesn't take long for the latest technological innovations to bite the dust. Shit, my old car finally bit the dust. I hope you have understood this word wherever we can use. I will meet you with the new words in next video. Till then, bye bye.